So hey all, this is Shubhankar here from Quantsap. So in the today's video, we are going to understand the part of IV tool in Quantsap application, which is IV chart. So talking about IV chart is showing us the day on day IVs for a particular instrument of ours. So right now I have selected symbol as Infosys. You can change it to whatever scripts you wish to. So let's try to understand Nifty. You can search for Bank Nifty, whichever script it is. So let's say if I want to have a look upon Infosys. So I have selected my symbol as Infosys. By default, the look back period is of 250 trading sessions, which can be changed although as per your requirements. So I'll try to stick to 250 days over here. So the green line on the graph is showing us the future price movement in Infosys, wherein the yellow or the orange line in the graph, it is showing us the IV's movement in Infosys, on what day, how much the IV was. And here are certain circles present on the graph. So these circles, they are very critical because the circles are resembling that on that day the results of Infosys were announced. So talking about Infosys, 15th of July 2020, results were announced of Infosys. Also later on 14th of October 2020, Infosys announced its result, followed by the last recent result which was on 13th of January. Also I can see the tabular view, wherein I am getting to see how the day on day IVs have been moving. So talking about tabular view, if I wish to see that, let's say, so talking about tabular view, so I am getting to see on 22nd of Jan 21 was the minimum IV of Infosys. Also I can see the maximum IV in last 250 days was 122 and it was 23rd of March 20. So I can always take it as reference how 2 or 3 days before a script IV behaves and how it takes a cooler down approach post the results. So ideally in Infosys, with the data of last 250 days, we have seen that like post the results, IVs, they actually take a cooler down approach, at least in Infosys. So you all can search for your desired script in the IV chart, check how the IV is, whether the IV are trading at the highest level or are they trading at the lowest level. Also, if I wish to change my view, so I can change the formats of the graphs. So by clicking on the graph line over here, so automatically the yellow part which was highlighted, it automatically moves away. I click on this thing, again it pops up. If I click on the dot section, so the yellow dots, or I would say circles, whatever you call it, they are resembling the IV and the rest things are the same. And if you find the graphical view difficult to read a bit, you can always refer to the tabular format. So that was it from today's video. Thank you all for joining me up till here. We do post similar sort of content regularly on YouTube, so you can hit the subscribe button to stay notified whenever we post something. Also you can refer Quantsap to one of your friends, wherein you'll earn 100 rupees reward points in your Quantsap account and your friend is going to earn 500 rupees reward points in his Quantsap account, which you can avail while making a purchase in Quantsap. So yeah, thank you. See you all in the next video.